Hi guys, this video shows you how to fix high CPU use. I have uploaded similar video on that topic, but the Windows is evolving so much that it was a requirement to upload another. So let's start. Let's head to step 1. Step 1 is to open your task manager and then open startup, and there will be some programs enabled. Disable all of them. They are taking up your RAM, so it is necessary to disable them. Let's head to step number 2. Just open the search and type Event Viewer. It will appear in front of you. When you open Event Viewer, at the side open the Windows Log option and then the application. And in the application on the right side, click on Filter Current Log and it will start taking action. Once it is opened, check on the critical error and warning. And do the same type of stuff in the system menu. It will boost your PC. Let's head to step number 3. Open your control panel. And in the control panel, open System and Security and then Power Options. And create another power plan. And name it as High Performance and also set it to High Performance. And also set the display time you want to set. And it will boost your PC. Step number 4. Open the control panel another time and click on Uninstall a program, and there if you find any unnecessary program, uninstall it. Step number 5. Open the search bar and type Services. And in the services, search for Background Intelligence Transfer Service. Open its properties and make sure that it is disabled and then apply it. There is another service to disable. It is sysman. Search for it. Once you search for it, open its properties and disable it from there. I have already disabled it. So hope that it will work for your PC's CPU performance. So this was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel and thumbs up for the video. We will meet another time. Thanks.